This is your boy Jerry's and I'm back again with another bang. We promise to bring you like good vibes only. And I'm here with
It's a girl bunny boo.
okay, Pani P. So Pani P, yini yokulethala? Yini yokulethala?
Bumnandi.
Okay, sure. Yini event ile igama layo?
Angiyazi yes.
Things are bad today. It's not.
Angiyazi yes.
Oh, wenzela bomnani kuphela.
Yeah.
Okay, sure. So ngifuna ukubuza imibuzo nyana few angithola. So like okay, sure. Umuzo okuthoma ukuthi like what do you bring on the table in a relationship?
I bring the nyash.
Okay, share 360 here. Share 360 sakuwa.
Impunde ezingaka.
Okay, sure. You bring what?
I bring uthando love.
Okay, sure. Like guys in the 5 ozifunayo like emjolweni.
Funa imali,
Awuna chelet.
imali, funa uthando, respect, communication and quality time.
Okay, now ukhuluma ngemali son. Okay, sure. Mhlambe singa nangathi estimate amali like girlfriend allowance oyifunayo.
Maybe 500 because yeah.
Maximum or
Tao.
Sisekake.
Dawa. Okay, sure. The last question, do you know maths?
It's about to go down.
Angiyazi mates.
Okay, sure. I wanted to try ungilalelisisa ngifuna uyizame ne 1 million minus 1.
Ha!
Lalela. 1 million minus 1.
99.99. 1.99.
Ngilalela ngiyibetha good name. 1 million minus 1.
Nangazi 99.9999.
Okay, sure. Sibawusibale mhlamba abo 9 abalapho ku answer leyo since ungakhona uyibiza.
12.
Okay, make a shout out to Jerry's.
Shout out to Jerry's. Please like and subscribe, guys. And share.